Ever wondered how to create a website with zero experience? It's a common predicament, especially for those just embarking on their digital journey. The thought of coding, designing, and hosting can be daunting. But what if there was a simple, affordable solution? Enter Fiverr, a platform that connects you with skilled professionals ready to bring your vision to life. What if I told you, there's a way to get a website up and running quickly without any technical skills, and for just $5? Yes, you heard it right. You heard it. First off, for those who are new to this, Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. Think of it as a digital bazaar brimming with talented individuals ready to offer their skills at affordable prices. From graphic design to website development, Fiverr hosts a multitude of services, making it a true jack-of-all-trades platform. Now let's focus on one service in particular, website creation. On Fiverr, you'll find hundreds of skilled freelancers ready to bring your dream website to life. Whether it's a blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio site, there's a freelancer out there ready to make it happen. The process is pretty straightforward. You scroll through the listings, find a service that fits your needs, and voila, you're one step closer to having your own website. And the best part? Many of these services start at just $5. Basically, Fiverr is like a one-stop shop for all your website creation needs. Now let's dive into how to actually buy a service on Fiverr. So you've decided to take the plunge and buy a service on Fiverr. Great choice. The first thing you need to do is create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just head over to Fiverr's website and click on the Join button. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information like your email address, and then you'll be asked to create a username and password. Once that's done, you're officially a member of the Fiverr community. Now that you have an account, it's time to search for the service you need. Fiverr has a search bar at the top of its homepage. Simply enter what you're looking for, let's say, website development, and hit enter. You'll be presented with a plethora of options, each offering different services at different price points. Choosing a seller can sometimes feel like finding a needle in a haystack, but don't worry, Fiverr makes it easy. You can filter results by seller level, delivery time, price, and even by specific features you need. Take your time to browse through the results, read reviews, and check out the seller's portfolio. This will give you a good sense of their work quality and whether they'll be a good fit for your project. Once you've found the perfect seller, it's time to make a purchase. Click on the Continue button on the seller's page. This will lead you to a checkout page where you can review your order details. Make sure everything is as you want it to be. You'll then be prompted to make a payment. Fiverr accepts a variety of payment methods including credit cards, PayPal, and even Bitcoin. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your order will be officially placed. The seller will start working on your project based on the timeline specified on their gig page. And voila, you've just bought your first service on Fiverr. Buying services on Fiverr is a breeze once you know how. So go ahead, start exploring, and let the world of Fiverr open up a myriad of possibilities for you. Alright, you've bought a service, now what? Well, let's paint the picture. First off, you'll need to get in touch with the seller. Fiverr has an intuitive messaging system that allows you to communicate directly with the seller. This is your chance to provide all the necessary details about your project. Think of it as a briefing. The more information you provide, the better the seller can meet your expectations. Next up is the waiting game. The seller takes your brief and starts working on your project. Remember, good things take time. Depending on the complexity of your project and the seller's workload, this process could take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Patience, my friend, is a virtue. Once the seller has completed the work, they'll deliver it to you for review. This is your moment to shine as the critic. Look over the work carefully. Does it meet your expectations? Is it what you had in mind when you purchased the service? If it's perfect, great. If not, don't worry. Fiverr allows for revisions within the scope of the original project. If you're not satisfied with the work, you can ask the seller to make changes. But remember, be respectful and clear about what you want changed. In the end, the goal is to finalize a project that meets your needs and leaves you satisfied. Remember, communication is key. Make sure you're clear about what you want and don't hesitate to ask for revisions if necessary. You might be wondering, why choose Fiverr? Well, let me guide you through the myriad of reasons that make Fiverr a go-to platform for many, especially those just starting out. Let's kick off with affordability. Fiverr is a place where you can find services that start at just $5. Yes, you heard that right, only $5. This means you can kickstart your website without breaking the bank. Whether you need a logo, a website design, or even content writing, Fiverr has got you covered. But the perks don't stop at affordability. Fiverr offers a wide array of services. Think of any task related to your website, and chances are, you'll find someone on Fiverr who can do it. This variety allows you to find the right service that fits your specific needs. It's like walking into a digital mall of services, where you can hop from one store to another until you find the perfect fit. Easy communication with sellers is another key feature of Fiverr. Each seller has a profile where you can see their ratings, reviews, and past work. You can also directly message the sellers to discuss your project, ask questions, or clarify any doubts. This open line of communication ensures that you and the seller are on the same page, which can result in a smoother transaction and a final product that meets your expectations. Lastly, Fiverr offers buyer protection. This means that if the service you receive doesn't match the seller's description or your agreed-upon terms, you can request a revision or even a refund. So you can shop with confidence knowing that Fiverr has your back. So there you have it. A simple, affordable solution to getting your website started, all thanks to Fiverr. From its affordability to its variety, easy communication, and buyer protection, Fiverr truly stands out as an excellent platform for beginners and professionals alike. It's a place where your ideas can come to life without causing a dent in your wallet. So why not give Fiverr a try? You might just find it to be your new favorite platform.